Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. Welcome to the class, and here we are with session 9. As we discussed and as we studied in previous class about article, and we learned only one kind. Today we will discuss the second kind, definite article. In previous session we learned indefinite article are and we learned the different uses and the difference between are and n, when to use are and when to use n. So today we are going to talk about definite article, which is the or the, you can say. Here we are. I will just try my level best to make it simple and easy for you so that you can understand it quickly and in the first time. Not to worry when we are, of course, that is a grammar topic and grammar sometimes irritates. But stick with it, try your level best. If you don't understand it first time, try it second time. You will understand it, inshallah. So today we have what is article. So previous session we discussed about indefinite article. Let's have a quick flashback. We discussed it when a noun. Alright, we use article before a noun. Remember, always before a noun. Okay, when a noun is unknown or unclear, we use indefinite article. When noun is introduced first time, we don't know, no one mentioned it before, or we did not mention it before, we are using it first time, we use are or an, and we use it with singular countable nouns. Okay, here we are with definite article. We use definite article, it is opposite to it. When the noun is unknown, we use are and. When the noun is known, you know the noun, like what we are talking about, we use definite article. Known to both speaker and audience. Like whatever we are talking, whichever subject or noun we are talking about, that noun is known to the speaker. I know what I am talking about, what is that noun, and the audience, the listener, he or she also knows, or they also know what is that noun. Introduced before, like that noun was mentioned before in previous sentence or in previous paragraph. So very simple now. Known, not introduced before, introduced before. So it seems very simple, but when you go in depth you will feel a bit difficult. But not to worry, I have tried my level best to keep it very simple. Let's move on. Before going in detail, I talked about the different pronunciation of the. Normal, sometimes you will listen the, or sometimes you will listen the and the. Alright? So when to speak, when to pronounce the and when to pronounce the. Remember, very simple. You know, I will just bring it here. Consonant sound and vowel sound. When we use noun before we use article before a noun. For example, I say apples. Apples start with a vowel sound. Apples. So I will produce the apples or the apples. The apples. It means when a noun starts with a vowel sound, we pronounce the oranges, the apples, the elephants. We use definite article with plurals, and there are different scenarios. What we will discuss it further as we go ahead. The apples. Okay. The shops or the shops. Yes, the shops. Are you getting? When you talk about vowel sound, we use the. and we speak consonant sound, we use the. Okay, the President of America, the University of Karachi, the University of Punjab. Right? So very simple now. Okay, let's come to the topic now. It is the pronunciation Zandi. Now we are going to talk in detail when to use the definite article the. The definite article, say the. Case number one. There are different cases. It is a very very detailed topic. I just cut it short to make it very simple for you, very easy for you. Case one, because there is only one. What does it mean? You will be confused. Sir, in previous session we discussed about countable noun. Indefinite article, singular. We use our and with one. Here, again one. No. It means that when we talk about a specific noun, like that is known, something proper noun, we use our and with common noun. We use the with proper noun, something special, you can say, something famous in easy words. Okay, the moon is very bright today. The moon is known. The moon is known. You know the moon, we know the moon. Okay, there is only one. There are no two moons. Got it? Only one. Only one. Who is the President of France? The President, because the answer is the President only, and it's only one. So when we have a specific noun, remember the very first thing, something is specific, something proper noun. Proper होना चाहिए means कोई खास noun होना चाहिए or one. Okay. So when we have only one proper or specific noun, we use the moon, the President of France. The answer is only one. Okay, that's why, that is the reason, because it is only one. With superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives, it is adjective forms, comparative adjective and superlative, like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So most intelligent, best, these are the superlative adjectives. That's why we use the with superlative adjectives. He is the best student. Now the best means best is only one. Best is only one. That's why we use the. Are you understanding? I hope you are. The best student. Ma'am Romana is the most cooperative teacher. What does it mean? Like there are many teachers in the class or in the school, college or any institute, but you like the most, or one of the teachers is very the most cooperative. Like if we compare to others, she is the best. Only one. So I guess it's clear, when you have only one specific noun, especially like superlative adjective, we have only one, we use the. Okay, remember, specific means proper noun, something special, and only one. Specific and only one. Alright, here we are with, these are the assignments we will talk later. Case 2, because we have already mentioned it. Yeah, it is very important. We use the when it is introduced before. Means we have mentioned it before in previous sentence or a paragraph. Like that is the topic. For example, I bought a car. The car was very expensive. Oops. Before we, in first sentence we use a, but in the next sentence we use the. Now that is the confusion. There is no confusion. Very simple. We know we use a with a noun when the noun is unknown or very new, first time. But when we use it second time, we know it, so we use the instead of a. Very good. Simple. He saw a dog. The dog was barking. See. First time, unknown. Second time means introduced. We know it. We mentioned it before. So we use the. Okay. Don't worry. You will practice it. As you will get many examples, it will be clear to you. Understood? Again, I am saying, I bought a car. The car was very expensive. I purchased a mobile. The mobile was very expensive, or the mobile was very luxurious. I saw a bit. Okay, fine. So I have used already. Okay. I met a person. I met a girl. The girl was very funny. So what do I mean here? That in before first sentence I used a because she was or he was a noun. First time I used, second time, so I used the. Alright, okay. Now next is to say something about all the things referred to by a noun. What does it mean? When we discuss all the things, like we are talking about a group of things, can be living or non-living thing, by a noun. For example, the wolf is not really a dangerous animal. Now there can be a confusion. Don't be confused. Here you can have a question. We use the wolf first time, but why we use the, not a? Here the case says when you discuss about a group, you use the. Here I mean that all the wolves are not dangerous. Are you getting, I guess? The wolf is not a really dangerous animal. Means all the wolves are not dangerous. It is singular as well. So, for example, the monkey is not a dangerous animal. The monkey, not monkeys. The monkey is not a dangerous animal. I mean that all the monkeys are not dangerous. Same like this, okay? Next case with specific nouns. There are different cases. It is very detailed topic, so I just cut it short and just make it comprehensive so that you can learn more. Okay, let's go it quickly. With geographical areas like direction, the west, the east, the south, right, like that. Name of oceans, rivers, seas, desert, forests, and canals. Okay, for example, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, the Indus River. There are many examples. Okay. Next, name of monuments, memorials, parks, national shrines. For example, the tomb of Quaid-e-Azam. Okay, like the National Museum, or you can say the shrine of Datasar. There are many examples. Next, name of colleges, universities, and schools. But remember, there is one thing you have to be careful. The University of Karachi, the University of Punjab, the University of Oxford. But when we do not use when the name of a school, university, or college start with the name of any person or place, we cannot use the Oxford University, the Karachi University. No, the University of Karachi, the University of Oxford. Fine? Be careful about this. Last but not the least, specific places that have no names. Yeah, like for example, there are some buildings, they have no names, but they are specific. Like for example, in school or in college, university, in institutions, we have library. So library itself does not have a name, but it is specific. So we use the library. Okay, same like this, the bookstore, the tuck shop. Fine. So I hope you understood it. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in comment box, comment section. All right. So there is one last but not the least, very important thing. When not to use. This is a symbol when you think that there will be no article, you just keep the space. Okay, like this file sign. There are some cases also where we do not use any article. No are, no and, no the. Okay, there are many cases. but I have brought you, just make it simple. It is very initial stage, so I am just discussing two. Country. You do not use article with the country like the Russia, the Pakistan. No, you don't use the with the name of country. Remember, okay? There is one more like exception. When the country names include, it is a plural name itself, like it is a combination of states, like for example, the United States of America. There are many states, like the name of the country includes plurals. The Netherlands, the Philippines, fine, so they are used. But if there is no plural, that is a singular, so you will use no article. With plural, there is another case, the United States, because it is plural, states, fine, Netherlands. But when we have simple country name, we don't use any article. The India and India, wrong, fine, I guess you got it. Last but not the least, continent, we do not use any article with the continent. The Asia, no, never. Fine, Asia and Asia, never. So no article with any continent. There are many things you can, there will be many questions if in your mind, if you will discuss it, go in detail. If you have any sort of query you do not understand, do ask me in comment section. Let's wind up the class with the assignment we have. There are some worksheets I will share with you. Same we discussed the previously. Share the worksheets, just attempt it, and best of luck for that. And next, listen, practice and dictate. I will share one audio clip from British Council. It is very important listening. You will listen it, fine, you will practice it, and after practicing you will do the dictation. Okay, that's all from today's class. I hope you enjoyed and you learned. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. If you like it, hit the like button. And it's enough for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.